Welcome to our channel, where we bring you comprehensive guides and tutorials on how to enhance your photos using X. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of enhancing your photo in X step by step. Let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open X. Launch the X app on your device and wait for it to load. Step 2. Tap on the plus icon and tap on Post. Look for the plus icon, usually located at the bottom center of the screen. Tap on it to create a new post. Step 3. Tap on the photo. Choose the photo you want to enhance from your gallery. Tap on it to proceed to the next step. Step 4. Then, tap on the magic wand from the bottom drawer. Locate the magic wand icon, usually found in the bottom drawer of editing tools. Tap on it to access the photo enhancement options. Step 5. Explore the enhancement options. X provides a range of enhancement tools such as brightness, contrast, saturation, and more. Adjust these settings to your preference until you achieve the desired look for your photo. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to enhance your photo in X. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more X-related tutorials and tips.